Okay, use the information given in the diagram. Tell why MN is congruent to PO. MN, which is up here at the top, is congruent to PO. Well, you can see that it's got the segment marks already on it, which means that they're giving us that information. So for the first part, y is segment or side MN congruent to side PO. It's given, so it's going to be either B or D. I'm going to cross out A, cross out C. And y is angle NOM. NOM, that's this angle, congruent to angle PMO, and that is that angle. Well, how do we know that those are congruent? The angle marks. So that's also given to us. So it's not D, it's just B. They provided us with all of that information. That's how we know it.